YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's creepy crawly little rebel. This is a suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. We're gonna tear into this and show you guys how to do some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix for Pentair's Little Rebel above ground pool cleaner. If you guys want to know how we got down to where we are currently in the video, make sure you guys check out the link in the description to a playlist that'll show you guys. We tear this cleaner apart from the outside in. For today's video, we want to show you guys how to access the right drive kit on the Little Rebel. So similar to getting to removing the left drive kit, which you've seen in our previous videos, you'll have to tear the left drive kit out before you can get access to the right drive kit. Because the main axle runs into the right drive kit, you do have to remove this in order to be able to pull this piece of equipment out. So again, typically the left drive is going to be the one that wears the most, as this is what's going to take the most abuse in driving the cleaner. The plastic on the outer edge of this rides along the actual wheel of the cleaner, and it also has teeth very similar to the ridges on this shaft. So as the plastic rubs together over time, obviously the corners start to round out and potentially you can see it start to skip. So then the wheel will not spin. So if the cleaner's kind of going in circles and you're only seeing the right side move around and it's just spinning around, most likely it's because you need to replace this left. But we always like to repair things in pairs, because the minute that you replace one, the other one tends to go. So getting them done all at the same time will make sure that your cleaner stays in good condition. So if you guys want to know how to take out the left drive kit, make sure you guys check out that playlist. It'll show you guys how to get this left drive kit out and swap it out to install the new one. So once you've removed the actual left drive kit, you have full access here to the actual right drive. So all you gotta do on this end is you're pulling out it's like a little axle here with a bearing on it. So you just gotta kind of use some pressure and pull it out. Once you do that, you're going to break free the inside gear here. And then there's also still another bearing on the inside that sits in conjunction with this one. So you do need to get them both out when you're replacing them. These ball bearings do see a lot of abuse. So again, make sure they do come included with the right drive kit. So make sure that when you replace it, you just replace everything at once. So really simple access. Once you remove the left drive kit, the right drive kit can pop right out. And then from here, you can actually start messing with other gears if you need to, because now the actual connection to the front end of the cleaner is done. So from there, it's just about replacing what's needed to be replaced. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got all the videos on showing you guys how to replace these parts, as well as some good troubleshooting tips. I really appreciate you guys watching. Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.